Hi everyone, so we are going to put together a Pokey tool using the supplies that BeeBeeCraft sent me. So the Pokey tool itself is from Hobby Lobby, but everything else is from BeeBeeCraft. So these are the beads that they sent, and these are the bead caps that they sent as well. So I'm going to be using those, and then I'm going to attach a charm on here because they sent me these also. These are really pretty charms right here. I love that some are in silver and some are in gold. So love that. So that's the charms. And then I haven't tried this glue before to glue my Pokey tool, so I wanted to give it a shot and see how it works out. So the only thing that's not from BeeBeeCraft is this little poker tool, which I wish they would carry, because if they did, I would totally order from them as well. So let's try this. So what I do is I will place all my beads and spacers on beforehand, just so I can see what it looks like and make sure that that's the pattern that I want to go with. And then this little stopper comes with the Pokey tool, so I'll just use it, to hold it, and I can look at it and be like, oh yeah, that's, the pattern that I want. And then I will just leave it on here and just slide them down a little bit, still keeping that little stopper at the bottom, so that way it will go ahead and hold all my beads on. Then I'll just add glue right here to the top and then start, moving the beads in place as I add glue. So that's what we're going to do right now. So I'll just go ahead and just rub a little bit of glue on. Don't want to squeeze too hard because I don't want it flowing out like crazy. So there's a little bit. We're just going to spin it around. Then we're going to push that bead cap and that bead up. And then just add a little bit more glue. And again, just lightly squeezing and turning it around. Push that up. That will catch the part of that bead right there. And just keep continuing the process of adding a little bit of glue and moving the beads into place.
Hello.
Hi, boy. Say hi.
Hi.
That's Bud. And we're going to keep doing the same thing over and over. Huh? No, just you. They're Chile. So we're just going to keep adding a little bit of glue and a little bit of moving the beads along here. I'm like, I can't believe it's Halloween and I'm doing a Christmas craft. I'm always against, dipping into another holiday, but it's the end of the month already. Can you guys believe it's the end of the year already? That has me more amazed. Like, I cannot believe that we are in October already, at the end of October, going into Turkey Day time. I'm just, I don't know where this year went. Next year is going to be a big year for us. We want to do a lot of traveling, and it's gone by, you guys. I cannot believe we're almost going into a new year already. But you see how easy it is just to keep it on here and just go ahead and just keep adding a little bit of glue. Just pushing everything into place there. There we go. Feels so weird to be doing a Christmas craft while I see my little spider web and my little ghosty nails. Almost done, you guys. Thanks for bearing with me. Wasn't in the mood to do any editing. I'm still getting over this cold. So it is what it is right now. I know it would have been easy to speed up, but it does take time to do editing, and Like I said, when you're not feeling well, you just don't really want to do any extra steps if you don't have to, you know? So it looked like this glue worked pretty good, I must say. I mean, yeah, it looks like... I mean, I know it's not completely dry towards the bottom and in the middle, but they're not moving a whole lot. So we'll have to see how this works. This might end up being my new favorite glue for this. So I pushed the stopper back down just to go ahead and hold everything in place while it dries. But so far it looks pretty good. So let me just put the top on here. And then we need to pick out what charm. Oh, maybe we'll just do Santa. Look, Santa's really cute with his little diamond in his hat. Yeah, I think, oh, I like this one. This one goes really well with it also, the little bell. Oh, I think the bell matches nicely. I think I'm going to go with the bell. I feel like that one matches better. So normally you would want to go ahead and have your tools to go ahead and pull these apart, but like I said, that's just one more step to go inside and get them. So when you want to open these, you're going to twist. You don't want to pull because you're not going to be able to get your circle shape back. So you just twist them apart. See, I was able to do it with my fingers. This one's pretty thin, so I'm just going to go ahead and string that on there, put that on there, and we're just going to go ahead and twist it close again. I think that's cute. I love that little bell because it's red and green and it matches perfectly with my beads right here. So if you want to know any information, I will leave a link down below to their website, and it'll link these products as well. And I do have a coupon code with them that you guys could go ahead and use on your order. And the thing that I love about BeeBeeCraft is that they do offer free shipping. I believe it's at $25. So definitely take advantage of that. That's a super good deal. They are overseas, so it does take a little bit to come in, but lately it's been about 2 weeks to get my products in, definitely not a month or longer. So that's really nice. I think for being overseas, they ship very, very well. So that's something to take in consideration when you're ordering. You know, they're not going to come overnight, but they're not going to take a month either. So I'll leave a link to all the products that they sent me, and I'll leave a link down below with my coupon code as well, so you guys could go check them out. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Are you guys ready for Christmas crafting? Or are you guys still like me, stuck on Halloween? Because you guys, I'm still stuck on Halloween. I'm not ready to let it go yet. So let me know down in the comments. We'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.